My name's Adrian Pavis, and I keep canaries. I've got 7 at the moment, but this one here is slightly different. I've always believed she wasn't really a canary at all. She was a young man trapped in the body of a canary. So I've done this. It's the private parts of a 16-year-old who was killed in a car crash. You can see his hair was blonde and quite downy, which rather suits the bird, I think. Sometimes I see a sort of little smile on her beak. I just rub the glands a little. There it is. It's a lovely smile, sir. Yes. That's nice.